Welcome to our channel where we learn bit by bit about African food. African food is the best. It's the healthiest and certainly the tastiest. Come along as today we learn how grandma has been fermenting and cooking her porridge for years. The process is easy and anyone can do it. Say goodbye to the fake supermarket versions of fermented porridge. First off, put some water to boil. Meanwhile, in a container, mix maize flour with a little porridge flour. Professionals don't measure, but it looks like 90% maize flour and 10% porridge flour. The maize flour used here was gotten from maize that was grinded at the posho mill. Very healthy. If possible, avoid the supermarket maize flour because it adds nothing to your body. Next, add cold water and start to form a paste like so. Add the boiling water to the mixture and stir well. The hot water helps kickstart the fermentation process.
Sasa ukikoroga hivi zinakaa kama ni kupika unapika hiyo maji moto. Sasa ikinini ikianza kukaa ni kusamuka tu.
Close the container tightly and wait for a minimum of 3 days. On the third or fourth day, depending on how you like it, you can prepare your porridge. Begin by boiling water. Take out a bit of the water because you will add it bit by bit later on. To your fermented mixture, add a little bit of the hot water and stir. Then add it to the hot water in the sufuria. Note that the water is not boiling, it's just calm. Boiling water will make your porridge have lumps. Stir continuously to prevent lumps. The more it cooks, the thicker the porridge becomes. Rinse off the container with hot water and add to the porridge. Keep stirring and adding hot water as to your consistency preference. Leave to cook for about 20 minutes. Now the porridge is ready. Add sugar and enjoy like an African. It's now time for you to try and ferment your own porridge if you haven't tried it yet. No packaged fermented porridge can beat this homemade fermented porridge. Subscribe for more. Let's meet in the next African adventure. This is the channel where we help you discover new and exciting tips and recipes and help unlock your creativity.